Hey guys, this is Warren with KLGadgetTV, and what I have on my hand here is the second generation ZOTAC Zone gaming handheld in its prototype form. Now in terms of its form factor, it is pretty similar to the previous generation, and that's probably because it is still a prototype, so ZOTAC is not making any much hardware changes on it yet, but I believe there will be some slight hardware changes when it gets released. Now this is still a very nice form factor to hold. It is not so heavy in my opinion. It's to get the same 7-inch AMOLED display that refreshes at 120Hz with 800 nits of brightness. Now in terms of performance, this has been upgraded to an AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 processor, and you get even more RAM at up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5X memory and a 1TB NVMe storage. Now let's take a look at the hardware around. So you still get a USB 4 at the bottom for charging and data, one at the top as well. You get a battery charging indicator, a power button that also serves as a fingerprint reader, volume rockers, a 3.5mm headphone jack. You get your R button and left button here, your left and right triggers, and on the back you still get the same L1, L2 buttons as well as a kickstand right on the back here. So overall, I can't do much right here. So, wow, apparently I've just got up to the OS here. Now, apparently this is not running on Windows here. It is running on Manjaro Linux OS, which is a custom Linux build. So it is actually a pretty good thing if you do intend to install Windows right here, because it probably offers better power efficiency and all that. So I do not have any games here. Let me just try to run some games here if I can. Right now, look at the graphics quality of this game. It is so much improved from the previous generation that uses an AMD Ryzen 78840U processor, and the Ryzen AI9 HX370 with Radeon 890M graphics definitely looks a lot better. I'm seeing more detailed graphics, and it is really smooth. So apparently I can't do much demo on this unit here because there's not much of games installed, but I really do look forward to the release of the second generation ZOTAC Zone gaming handheld in our market really soon. So yeah, that's pretty much on the first hands-on with the ZOTAC Zone gaming handheld in its second generation. That's it for now. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and thanks for watching.